Hello, good day. This is NCS Niche Coding Solutions, and today we're gonna see how to prevent zoom on the mobile device when you click on the input search bar. Usually it zooms in and it doesn't zoom back out, and it just leaves a poor user experience. So we're gonna fix that. Um, so that it no longer zooms in when the person clicks the search bar. Okay, so in your header of your index HTML, in the meta tag, find the one that says that has viewport in it. Okay, and then you're gonna click right here. You're gonna stay within content. You're gonna add a comma, and you're gonna add to the content. Okay, and we're gonna add maximum scale equals 1, comma, user scalable spelled that wrong, equals 0. And that is it. Just those two attributes you're going to add to your tag. Maximum dash scale equals 1, user dash scalable equals 0. And that is it.